Chae Jung-yup English name is Jimmy Che. He was born on May 19, 1993. He is now 31 years old. From Seoul, South Korea. Zodiac sign is Taurus. He is a South Korean actor from 2016 up to present under YNK Entertainment. He lived in Thailand for a year when he was in middle school. And then, he lived in South Africa for 4 to 5 years. He started as a modeling in South Africa and made an acting debut in web dramas No Bad Days Season 1 and 2. He usually spends his free time working out at the gym. He was exempted in military due to an epilepsy which he takes medicine for 10 years. Chae Jung-yup ideal type. Thank you for watching.